Did you know there was once a werewolf that actually helped people instead of hurting them? Meet the Wolver from the Shetland Islands, the kindest monster you've never heard of. Unlike scary werewolves from movies, the Wolver kept its human mind even with a wolf's head. This gentle giant lived in caves and spent its days fishing on rocky shores, just like a regular person would. But here's where it gets amazing. During brutal winters when families were starving, people would wake up to find fresh fish left on their windowsills. The Wolver was secretly feeding them. Fishermen told stories of seeing this wolf-headed man sitting peacefully with a fishing rod, never bothering anyone. When travelers got lost in terrible storms, the Wolver would guide them to safety. Local families learned to leave out bread and milk as thank you gifts. Some families said the Wolver saved them from starving during famines. People in Shetland kept seeing this helpful creature well into the 1900s. Imagine if all monsters were this kind.